Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. In today's video we're going to be finding out how I turned an old lace front into a headband wig. So here we started off by sectioning off the hair, kind of measured it on my head to see where the beginning of the headband should be, and we kind of pushed the hair to the front and braided it off so it would be out of the way. And then I'm just simply going to cut off the excess lace or even part of the wig that you don't need anymore because of the headband. So I went to the beauty supply store and I actually found a Velcro elastic band that's like a headband. I think they come in black and tan, so here I'm just kind of placing the wig on top of the headband and pinning it down so I can figure out where I want to sew it. And make sure your headband is centered on the wig and not to the side and lopsided. So the next step is to start sewing your wig to your headband, and what you have to do is make sure that you use a thick and durable weaving thread. You don't want anything thin and fragile because then your wig is just going to fall apart and we don't want that. So this is what it looks like once you've sewn the wig to the headband, and now we're going to put it on and see what it looks like.